Number 1. 1988 Nissan 300ZX Convertible, $8,000, Benson, Arizona. This 1988 Nissan 300ZX Convertible in Benson, Arizona is listed for $8,000. It has a 6-cylinder engine with a manual transmission and shows 240,933 mostly highway miles. The car features a white exterior, dark gray interior, T-top panels, and a turbocharged setup, along with Ricardo racing seats. The title is rebuilt, but it is described as running well. Part of the well-known Nissan Z series, the 300ZX offers sporty performance and remains an affordable classic Japanese sports car. Number 2. 1980 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe, $7,995, Dallas, Texas. This 1980 Chevrolet Camaro located in Dallas, Texas is offered for $7,995. It features a powerful Blueprint 383 crate engine, producing over 400 horsepower, paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The car starts easily, runs well, and drives properly. The body, floors, and trunk are solid, although the paint and interior need improvement. Equipped with the classic T-top roof, this Camaro captures the look of early 1980s muscle cars. While it is not a Z28 model, it offers strong performance and solid potential for further restoration. Number 3. 1984 Mercedes Benz 300 TD Wagon, $12,000, Fremont, California. This 1984 Mercedes Benz 300 TD Wagon in Fremont, California is priced at $12,000. It is powered by a durable 5-cylinder diesel engine and shows 250,000 miles. A professionally installed 5-speed manual transmission from a Mercedes Benz 280e replaces the original automatic, using proper factory components. The car runs very well and has been used as a reliable daily driver for several years. Known for their durability, Mercedes-Benz W123 wagons are among the most respected classic diesel vehicles, and this rare manual conversion makes it even more appealing. Number 4. 1961 Cadillac DeVille, $11,750, Paso Robles, California. This 1961 Cadillac DeVille, located in Paso Robles, California, is listed for $11,750. It is powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 325 horsepower, paired with a Hydra-matic automatic transmission. The car shows 69,000 miles and features a white exterior with a well-preserved interior and perfect headliner. It is highly optioned with cruise control, power seats, power windows, power locks, and power steering. Recent maintenance includes rebuilt brakes, transmission service, and a new exhaust system. The dramatic styling and tail fins make this Cadillac a standout luxury car from the early 1960s. Number 5. 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe Coupe, $15,000, Elk Grove, California. This 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Deluxe Coupe, located in Elk Grove, California, is offered for $15,000 and was fully restored in the early 2000s. The car is powered by a rebuilt 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 engine with an automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include an Edelbrock intake manifold, 4-barrel carburetor, electronic ignition, power steering, and power disc brakes. Finished in Viper blue and white, the car also features a modern Alpine audio system with Bluetooth and upgraded speakers. Early 1950s, Chevrolet Coupes are popular for custom builds, and this example blends classic style with modern upgrades. Number 6. 1941 Chevrolet Coupe Custom, $19,500, Mystic, Iowa. This 1941 Chevrolet Coupe in Mystic, Iowa is listed for $19,500 and represents a classic American street rod. It is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car features many custom touches, including a chopped roof, shaved door handles with door poppers, Frenched rear lights, and a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro front suspension. Additional features include Edelbrock intake and carburetor, side pipes, power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. The paint has some cracking but still presents well, while the interior is in good condition with working gauges and electric windows. Number 7. 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon, $13,500, Sycamore, Illinois. This 1978 Oldsmobile Cutlass Salon, located in Sycamore, Illinois, is priced at $13,500 and shows 58,000 miles. The car has been restored and now features a fresh 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. Known for comfort and style, the Cutlass was one of the most popular American cars of the 1970s. The vehicle runs and drives well and includes a modern Android stereo system. It is described as being in excellent condition and ideal for weekend cruising or classic car gatherings. Number 8. 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, $16,000, Bernalillo, New Mexico. This 1965 Ford Mustang Coupe, located in Bernalillo, New Mexico, is listed for $16,000 and represents one of the most iconic American cars ever produced. The Mustang is powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, delivering a classic driving experience that reflects the original spirit of the first-generation Mustang. This particular car is notable for being a single-owner vehicle since new, a rare detail that often appeals strongly to collectors. The car shows 187,000 miles and remains largely original, with the only significant change being a repaint. According to the seller, the vehicle runs well and all major functions operate properly. The 1965 Mustang marked the beginning of the pony car era and quickly became a cultural phenomenon in the United States. With its long hood, short rear deck, and sporty appearance, it appealed to a wide range of buyers. While many Mustangs were equipped with powerful V8 engines, the 6-cylinder models are known for their reliability and smooth driving characteristics. Number 9. 1977 Pontiac Formula Firebird, $17,900, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1977 Pontiac Formula Firebird, located in Apache Junction, Arizona, is listed for $17,900. The body has about 145,000 miles, while the rebuilt LS1 engine has only around 200 miles. The engine is estimated to produce between 350 and 400 horsepower and is paired with a rebuilt Turbo 350 automatic transmission. The car also features rear disc brakes, a positive traction rear axle, and upgraded suspension components. Finished in metallic purple with T-top panels and Craigslist wheels, this Firebird blends classic muscle car styling with modern performance. Number 10. 1970 International Travelall, $16,500, Angeles Oaks, California. This 1970 International Travelall, located in Angeles Oaks, California, is listed for $16,500 and represents one of the early American sport utility vehicles built before the modern sport utility vehicle market existed. The Travelall is powered by a 345 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Showing 131,000 miles, the vehicle is described as running and driving well with a good body and a decent interior. It features front disc brakes and centerline wheels, which add a slightly modern touch to the classic truck design. The seller reports that the vehicle carries a clean Arizona title. International Harvester built the Travelall as a rugged family utility vehicle capable of hauling passengers and cargo over long distances. These vehicles were competitors to early Chevrolet Suburban models and are valued today for their durability and distinctive styling. With its large interior space and classic truck character, this Travelall could serve as a practical vintage utility vehicle or a unique restoration candidate for collectors who appreciate classic American trucks.